Hi, I'm LaToya and today I'm going to take you through how to set up a space so that you can collaborate and communicate effectively with team members. So the first step in setting up a space is clicking on this plus feature, and you want to select create a space. You can name the space. So this is for a project we have coming up or an upcoming team event, and this is how you add your colleagues to the space. So once you have added all your collaborators, you just click on Create. Your space is ready to use so that you can message and share files with all of your team members. Cisco Webex Teams really opens up the possibilities to collaborate and communicate.